All right, welcome in everybody. I went ahead and did my Greeks while we were all enjoying the music there. So welcome in. Hope everybody's having a great day. So on the one account, it says that I need positive 8 deltas. Well, the easiest way to do that is to do what? I could buy 8 shares of SPY. Right? Now I'm totally delta neutral. So we've got the thing fixed where it's got the right formula in there. And if you're using the old spreadsheet, all you got to do is go to where it's the last little part here where it says negative B, whatever, and yours will say minus 0.015 times your net limit. Just change that minus to a plus, and you'll be just right. So for me to be within our parameters of delta neutral in the margin account, I need 8 positive deltas. In the IRA, it says that I am delta neutral. Make sure that's right. Negative 45 plus. Yep. So that's the right formula. Everybody's working good. So, you know, in one account, I need to probably do one thing, and then the other account, I need to do another. But I'll probably do the same thing in both of them because I've got negative delta in both of them, right? You see this, I got negative delta in both of them. So with this account, though, the negative delta is not too much. So I'll probably put on a bullish 112 today, which is really strange when the market is up to say, I'm going to do a bullish trade. So let's look first at the linear regression, see what linear regression is showing, because we know what the market's going to do based on what the linear regression shows us. What is this? University of Alabama. No, that ain't what I want. I had my chart up. Where's it at? Access denied. Bring my dang chart up. Here we go. So here's our E-mini S&P futures. Sweet Bobby calls bear market. Sweet Bobby calls recession. And ever since we're just kind of flat since I called it. We're up a little bit, right? So we anticipate movement in the markets to do exactly what it's doing. We anticipate a revisiting up to the top of the channel. It's just what channels do, right? So we're in a very long and extended bear market. So this is perfectly normal behavior to be bullish within the overall bearish trend. So then what the market will then do is go back down and reach lower lows. So remember, what we've got is lower highs. So this high, lower highs, and lower lows. Lower lows. That's how you know that the trend is down. And if you don't know that, then linear regression shows you that really, really, really in a nice little pattern. So I don't see anything. Matter of fact, we see the 50 moving average and the 200 moving average. You know, market's up, market's up. Well, actually, look what's happening. The 50 moving average is moving farther away from the 200 moving average. Everybody seeing that? This is a widening. This is not decreasing, right? So we're not seeing these things converge. We're seeing these things expand. So bear market is perfectly intact, and we know what market direction it's going to do. We've got a really, really good feel for it. So let's look now at our chart over here so we can look at our everybody's muted. All right, so let's look at our volume profile, see if we can tell anything about the market. Where's my volume? There's my volume. So as you can see, we are now back fully within the fair market, fair value zone. We are in the fair value zone. That is where we are at. And based on what we're seeing, wouldn't surprise us to go even to the top of this thing, right? Wouldn't surprise us to see a revisiting of this 4150 area, right? So it wouldn't surprise us at all to see a 4150. And then it wouldn't surprise us to even see a visit to the top of the fair value zone, which would be around the 4268. Now, everyone sees where I get there, right? Wouldn't surprise us at all to see that. Okay. Now, Ultimately, though, you know that we're going down here. We are going down here. It is just a matter of time. It's just that we may go to that 42.68 before we go down. So let's look at that 42.68 on the linear regression and kind of see if we can tell when that's going to happen. So here we are on the linear regression, 42.68. Let's find it here. 42.68 is right here. So we're talking about, and I would say that would happen probably about the time that it's going to be right here. I'm going to go ahead and pick a date. I'm going to do a little Nostradamus on y'all. I'm going to pick it right here. June the 27th. June the 27th. Let me go ahead and put something in there to make sure we got that to it. June the 27th, Bob. Put your little picture in there. This guy's picture. Which picture we want to do? Let's do a little flag. So June the 27th is when we're going to hit 42.68. Let's put it right there. Yeah. So everybody can see that old Bob is calling 42.68 for June 27th. That's when I think we're going to go right here and touch the top of the linear regression channel. So if you see that, and you know that because we're selling options, it's an inverse relationship with our deltas, right? When the market is up and we're short options, what happens to our deltas? Our deltas get increasingly negative. So to combat that, we have to put on bullish trades in order to level us out just a little bit. So you would say, well, Bobby, we're in a downtrend. Why would you ever put on a bullish trade? Well, the reason is because from May the 26th to our target of June the 27th, that's a month out, y'all. Our average day in trade is how long? 22 days, right? We're staying in these trades 21, 22 days. Boom, there you go. So it doesn't hurt me to put a bullish trade in to get my deltas all in a line, get everything delta neutral. And then hopefully in 20 something days, I'll be taking the profits on that trade. So I'm too short now. So let's look at our account over here at Tastyworks and see how we're doing over here. Come in, little Tastyworks. There you go. All right, so over here, our deltas are -40, -294 Vega, and we got theta on 119. So it wouldn't hurt me to put a bullish trade in all three of our accounts. So let's do that. We're going to do a 112 bull. Now, I don't know if we've done this before. Have we done a 112 bull together? Let's see. I don't think we have. Let's go through our little trades and see if y'all see a bull anywhere. 112 bear. Y'all hadn't seen a 112 bull. Okay, well, we'll show you a new trade today. All right, so the 112 bull is this. So the 112 bull will be trading in the micros, right? That's our little favorite. And we like to go out closest to 60 days without going over. So what we'll do first, we'll go to this 50-day, and we're going to sell two for about $10 each. And we're a little greedy, so we normally go above 10. So we could go about maybe 11 here, so 32.30s. So we want to collect about $20. So this will give us $22 if we sell this little puppy here. So let's sell two of those. And everybody sees that's a bullish trade, right? Selling two of these. Bullish, bullish, bullish. You can't get any more bullish than that. Now check it out. Buying power is giving me a credit on selling two naked puts. Why? Well, it's because the Tastyworks risk management team realizes, hey, old Bobby's short here, and it wouldn't hurt him to have a few positive deltas. So they're going to reward me by increasing my buying power by $21.21. Everybody with me, right? Now, I know what you're saying, Bobby. The worst day to sell puts is on a big up day. I got you. I got you. I'm just telling you that I've managed things by my portfolio. I don't look at the market. The portfolio Greeks will tell me exactly what I need to do. I don't have to rely on market movement. I will rely on the Greeks. A lot of y'all rely on market movement. Hey, That's your way. I got my way. All right. So the next thing that I would do, would I be buying a put debit spread like we normally do? No. What we're going to do is we're going to buy a call debit spread, because a call debit spread is a bullish trade. So we're going to go long call vertical. Right? So we're going to put this on the call side. We're going to scoop it out to where it's 50 wide. And just like we did on the put side, we're going to move that down until the debit is $10. On, up, move it. 42.70, 32.20. Yep. So here we go. Let's move it out. I'm here, little seller. There we go. So that's at $12. Move it up again, and it's hung again. I gotta fix this somewhere. That's just 10.50. So I'm probably not going to sell where I've already sold one. You know, I could, but this is probably fine right here, right? So if I buy this one for 10.50 and I sold the other one for 11, that should give me an overall double credit, right, for doing this spread. So I'm going to do the 43.40, 43.90 for 10.50. Let's see if we can feel. Boom. So look at our deltas. Our deltas are negative 55. So we may have to go up to 11 on that. 10.75. Let's try 10.75. There we go. So we got filled for 10.75. So hopefully that gave us a little positive deltas. So that's the 112 bull. You've never seen me do one before. That's a 112 bull. I've never needed a 112 bull. How are you grouping those to keep up with them on Tastyworks? I can't keep them straight. Mark, here's the thing. You can do it, I think, on the online platform. So you need to go to tastyworks.com. You need to log in there, and then you need to use the online version to group your trades. If not, the best thing I would do is, if you're not going to use the online version, is I would open me another paper trade in Thinkorswim, and I would just group my trades in Thinkorswim so that you got the same trades over here. And I know it's a pain in the butt. It's just a pain in the butt to do it. But otherwise, I don't know how you group it. But I would do that. Yeah. All right. So let's go put that trade on over in here. And we'll analyze the trade here so you can look at the 112 bull, since you've never seen me do one before. So we'll go closest to 50 days. And we said we sold 2 of the 32 30s. 2 of the 32 30s. Right, so we'll do 2 of those. Now remember, you got to hold your control key down when you're doing each leg here. And then we did the 43, 40, 43, 90. 43, 40, 43, 90. 43, 40, 43. And then we'll look at it. So we're going to buy the 43.40. Oh, crap, I didn't hit my control key. Dang it. We'll sell the 43.90. Okay. All right. And then we were selling the 32.30. Let's go grab it again. Shut up, dog. Got kids. That's one of the kids. We got 5 of them. And then the kids want dogs. So we got like 100 of them. So 2 of the 32 30s. Here we go. So let's do 2 of the 32 30s. And let's analyze the trade. All right. Whoa, that'd be great if we could get a 1925 credit.
Bobby, I think you have a 33.20 instead of a 32.30.
Oh, I got the wrong one. Okay, good. Thank you so much, Rick. So 32.30. Yes. Rick always catches those things. I am so glad. When he's not here, we miss a lot of stuff. There you go, Rick. There we go. 12.75. That's more like the credit we normally take in there. Good. So let's analyze the trade. Let's just look at it. And just click on Analyze Trade. All right, so there it is. Let's make sure it's hide simulations. No, it's not all. So hide positions. So you're just showing your one trade. And we're showing 2 trades. So let's get rid of this one, which is the one we had on yesterday. Okay. Yeah. here we go. So here's the trade. Look at this, y'all, and it's pretty. So you see it's got positive deltas. Let me show you that. Trade's got positive deltas. It's got positive theta and of course negative vega. So let's see if we can make this a little bit bigger so y'all can check it out. The 112 bull. So you see the 112 bull, we do not lose money at all. I guess we do lose money, but not at expiration, right? That's the only thing I got there. One expiration, high position, single symbol. If I take that off, that should show 0. There we go. Yeah, but you see, we really make money if we go up, 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 up into this little profit tent. So if I move that over there. Everybody see the 112 bull where we got the little profit tent on the upside. Now, because y'all have been with me a long, long time, y'all know how to read these risk graphs too, right? You know that here, when your direction goes from level to this, you know that there is a long option right here. Everybody sees that, right? That's what broke that little streak. We were going this way, we started going up. So that's a long option. So you got long options that are going up, but then you see direction change this way. So y'all know that right here is where my short option is. So everybody knows where the spread is, right? So we've got a long option and a short option. That's what breaks. And if that's how you interpret the risk graph. Let's delete that. Now, where is our short option on the downside? Let's find him. Beth, will you get them dogs out, please, for the love? Well, where is it? Well, let him in or do something. All right. So here you see that we've Beth. Now, you talking a little bit sassy for somebody that I just took out to cheat Chinese. So y'all see that the direction is going up, right? And you see that all of a sudden direction goes down. What happened? This is where our short strike is. So where's our short strike at? Well, here's at the money, right? We're at 40.57 today, right? 40.57. This is 5% down. This is 12% down. And then this is 20% down. So we've got our short strikes 20% down, y'all. 20% down. Isn't that cool? Over 20% down. So I feel really, really safe about selling these puts way, way, way over 20% out of the money. Great. So let's delete those. So just want to make sure everybody understands what the trade is, right? How to interpret the risk graph when you're looking at that. So that is a bullish 112. Let's kind of squeeze it up where we can see it all together. There. The bullish. All right. So let's now go and see if we can feel that little puppy. Confirm, and sin should cost me 0 buying power, and it does, right? 0 buying power. Why? Because their little team is like, look, pal, you need some positive deltas. So I'm putting in a positive delta trade, and they're going to reward me for it by charging me 0 buying power. So let's make this trade less advantageous for us. Only play to trade at 12.50 and see if we can get filled. We'll probably get filled here. Or we won't, because I said we probably would, and they wouldn't embarrass me in front of all my family and friends. Come on, fill me. I ain't gonna say you probably failed this time, because I know if I say we'll probably get filled, then we'll get filled. All right, dang it. Don't embarrass us further. Make us take it all the way down to $12. Unbelievable. Fill me. There we go. I filled at $12. All right, so let's go put it in. But remember, over here, how's my buying power? Well, I'm in the crimson account. I can only do one anyway. Right. So let's go put it into the crimson account. All right, so this is a MES. We did one tranche, and this is going to be a 112, 1, 2, bull first. Since this is the first one we've ever done together. Isn't that great? So we did the 43.40, 43.90, 32.30, and this is on both sides, right? Both puts and calls. And for the first time ever, we get to say that we're doing a bull 112. A bull 112 at 50 days out, 5/26/22. Yep, and we got filled for 12 even, wasn't it? 54.12. Let's make sure that's right. 12 even. 12 even. Yeah, beautiful. We got filled for 12 even. All right. So let's put it in its little group. So let's do our groups now. Check out our groups. So we're going to do this 112 bear 1 or 112 bull 1. My bad. Control, right click, add the group. 112 bull 1. Now, all right, we got a trade in there. Now, keep in mind, let's see what our deltas are now. That should have helped our delta some. Depends on how the markets have moved. But now our deltas are negative 60.93. What were we before? Let's see. Negative 60.93. It said we needed a delta adjustment of 8. Unbelievable. Our deltas are even more negative. Trust me, though, that was a positive delta trade now. It's just markets are moving. Now it says we need 21 positive deltas. Now, Rome wasn't built today, and we don't have to do 21 deltas to get our deltas in line. We don't have to get them all today. So let's see how many positive deltas that trade has. Show group 112 bull. Let's go find him. Here we go. Here we go. Gave us 6.84 positive deltas. Right now, here's where we can use a little bit of art and science. We want this to be as scientific as possible. But remember, there's a couple things we need to realize and look at. One thing we need to realize is that if a trade is getting close to expiration, we need to give him a little more attention. So the great thing about the spreadsheet that I built you guys is it tells us how many days we got left in these trades. So we got some that are coming up on 21 days tomorrow. It's coming up on a time when we probably need to do something because we've been in them for 36 and 35 days. Our average day in trade is, oh no, oh behave. What happened over here? Nothing wrong. This thing was working great. This was working great. What did I do? I must have. That's going to drive me nuts, y'all. What have I done to mess up my spreadsheet? Total premium sold, total profit. Hold on. It's got to be a date that I may have messed up. Hold on a second. This thing was working great yesterday. Damn it. Rick, this is where we need Rick saying, hey, Bob, you missed it by doing something. What did I do? Let me see about my dates here. Hold on a second. Exits 4/26. Everything looks like 22. Done at 22, 22, 22. Just make sure I didn't do something crazy. I don't know. Let's check on that. Anyway, we know from yesterday that our average day in trade is about 22 days. So we've been in here a little long, y'all. So not only do we need to start saying, hey, is it possible to close these as winning trades, which would be this 112 9th and 111 11th, but also because it says that we need positive deltas, it's good if I can close a negative delta trade. Everybody see that? Because I'm getting my delta adjustments by closing trades and opening trades. But first, let's look at these 112. Now, the 112 and the 111 should be when they were put on positive delta trades. Let's see what they look like today. So let's go look at the 112 9th. See what he looks like today. 112 9th. Let's find him. 112 9th. Did I miss him? 112 9th. I don't see a 112 9th. This is where the watchful eye of Rick comes in. I don't have one. Apparently, I don't know what I'm talking about. All right. Why do I not have a 112 9th? All right. Then we've got a 111 11th. Should have a 1-1. Oh, this is the IRA. No wonder if I get in the right spreadsheet. Oh, no wonder that spreadsheet doesn't work. Hold on. I'm in the wrong one. Make sure I'm in the right. Here we go. Bob, you losing it, son. All right, so here we've only got one 22-day trade. So 11177 is one that we need to start eyeballing to close. So let's see our 11177. Now let me make sure my spreadsheet's working here. Oh, thank God. Jesus, take the wheel. I thought I'd done all this work for nothing. All right, so we're looking fine over here. All right, we're looking fine. So let's go back. 112 bear bull first. Yep, I got him in there. All right, so let's see if we can close our 11177, which is our last trade that's got 22 days left in it. Everybody see why I'm looking at it? So let's go look at 11177 and see what he looks like. 11177. Here she is. It's up 108%. Praise the Lord. Now, here's one of the reasons you go, I don't know though, Bob. If I close it, I'm going to be losing 6 positive deltas. You need positive deltas, right? So that's one of the reasons that I go, man, I don't know. Now, remember though, yesterday, this trade was a loser. This thing was a loser yesterday. Gamma is becoming more evident. See the gamma larger than in this one than it is in this one, because this one has how many days to go? This one's got 50 days to go. Gamma is increasing in this one because it's only got 22 days to go. So yesterday I would have closed this trade for a loss. Today I can close it for a winner. Only problem is I'm giving up 6 delta, positive delta. So let's just look around at everything else, just if there's anything else that is a winner that would give me a reason to get out of a negative delta trade. So here's negative delta, but it's down big, right? Here's positive delta that's up, positive delta. Here's my positive delta again. Here's a negative delta trade, a 112 fifth that is up $74 that would allow me to get rid of 0.138 deltas. How many expiration days is this? It's got 35 days. So this is a potential as well, taking this off, because I could get rid of my negative delta there. So let's just kind of look. There's negative delta, but it's a loser. I don't want to take a loser. Yeah. So yeah. So here's the deal on this, y'all. What do I want to do? What am I going to do? I think I'm going to keep this one on. I'm going to gamble a little bit and say, tomorrow's 21 days. Market's up big. Market looks like it still could go up for a day or two. And there's still a chance I could close it tomorrow at a profitable trade. And I'll risk having, because I need the positive delta. Why don't we instead close a trade for an 88% profit? Let's take off some negative delta and let's take our $74. Now, even though this one is a higher percentage winner, making me $66, I can make $74 here and accomplish my delta adjustment. So we have identified the culprit that we're going to take off, and it is the 112 fifth, all on the call side. All right, so let's take this puppy off. So we will take off this one and this one, and then 2 of the 4600s. I wish I could do it as one order here. It won't let me do it. So I got to go out and grab the 3600s. Is it 3600? I got to grab the 4600s at 35 days out. 4600s at 35 days. Let's go find them, 2 of them. 4600. Coming. Little kitty. Coming. 4600. Way up here. 4600. All right, there we are. So we'll buy 2 of those. 2 of the 4600s. All right, and $1.75 debit. Hopefully we can get out for $1.75 debit. Jack, squat, crap. So now we got to increase our debit. Right, so we got to go Up to $2. What, Beth? $2 debit. Come on, get me out. I never can get out when I want out. That's going to make me go up to 2 1/4. Good thing is, though, it doesn't cost much to go up. 2 1/4 debit. There we go. So we're out at 2 1/4. All right, 2 1/4. So let's go put him in. So we just took off the 112. What was it? 15th, right? 112 15th for 2 1/4. 112 15th. Where's he at? 112. Please be in here. Don't make me have to go back and put it in. 112 15. Hold on. Rick, this is where I need those eagle eyes of yours. 112 15. 16th. So where's my 112 15th? Of course, I don't have it in there. Y'all see it. All right, hang on with me. I'll make sure that was it. 112 15.
112 15th is gone, Bobby.
112 15th is what, Rick?
It's gone.
It's gone.
Well, you don't have a little wheel thing over there on the right-hand side.
But is that the one that I just took off?
I'm not sure. I was going by what you just said.
Okay. I think it is. Let's make sure it's not. Let's say 4490 call 112 15. Let's see what else is missing. I should have identified it on my spreadsheet first. Hold on a second. So we know it's not that one. It's not that one. So it's got to be the 15th, right? Or what else doesn't have a wheel on it? Or 112 5th. Maybe it's a 112 5th. See if it's 112 5th. Please be 112 5th. Okay, here's the 112 5th, which was the 4490, 4540, 4600. Let's see if that was it. 4490, 4500, 4600. And we just closed the 4490, 4540, 4600. That's it, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Praise the Lord. Oh, got me all in a tizzy. So it's the 112 5th. All right. So when we close the 112 5th for what was it, 2 1/4? Yeah. Oh, thank goodness I had it on there. All right, so let's go find it. 112 5th. All right, here we go. Yeah, here it is. 35 days less than check. So we closed it for 2 1/4. So 1713. Let's make sure that was right. Yep, 2 1/4 debit. 1713. And we closed it on 5/26/22. So I gotta fill this one in. Do the right formula there. Control C, Control V. So that should be 1713. So we made a profit of $60.74. How does Daddy do? So I made 74 cents more than it cost me to take my family, less the 3 littles, plus my mama, to the Chinese buffet for lunch today. How about that? So I paid for my buffet today, including the $10 tip. So 60.74. I made an extra 74 cents. Let's go put that in our calendar. We'll make 60.74 today. See how that looks. 60.74. And we'll make it all green. So this week, let's just kind of see how we're doing, y'all. This week we have made $209.58. So we're doing pretty good. 291, 385. We lost 360, closing those that went against us. And we made $209 this week. In order to make our 50% return that we're looking for, though, we need to do more, right? So let's look at our stats. So right now our premium capture is 58%. We project we're going to make 13,000 profit. On a weekly basis, we should make about 258. So we're kind of on track for that. We've sold total premium of 3260 since we started keeping it track. We've made $1,480 in profits. We've been in a trade 22 days and we're getting $66.53 per trade. Okay, cool. Questions on that, right? This is the one I like. Now, here's the thing. Are we going to be able to do 50% in this cut? Not unless we get this number up. Because it still says I got to sell $121 today. And there's no way I'm going to get that number. So we may not make 50% in this account this year. We may underperform, but we'll see. We're on track to keep doing it. So we got 112 bull first. We got that one done. We took a trade off. Now let's see what our deltas are. Come on, Bob. See what your deltas are there on pal. And we're negative 60 something. Now we're still negative 61. But all I can say is each day we want to make a little bit of progress toward getting our deltas in line. So negative 61.4. We put on a positive delta trade. We close the negative delta trade, trying to get our stuff in line. God's ring. All right. Now let's go to the other account. Let's do the same thing. First of all, let's look at our field order. And let's try to put this trade on again in this account. Oh, it's going down to 1175. First of all, let's see how our buying power is on this account. So, some ratios. Are we over our buying power percentage over here? We're at 39%. We should be at 35%. So we're close, but I think I'll still do two tranches in this account. So let's see if we can get those. So 1175 over here. Let's go to the right account, which will be probably 203. And let's do two tranches. 2 negative 2 and negative 4. So that'll be a 112 times 2, 1175 credit. I'm gonna try to get $12 credit. So we can do just like the other account. Let's see if we can get it. 0 buying power, right, with 2 tranches. Come on, fill me. Gotta go down to 1175. Should have done them all at the same time. Please fill me at 1175. Don't let me go down to 1150. Mama told me there'd be days like this. She didn't. Mama said. Took Mama to lunch today. After my boy wrapped up on the awards day for 6th grade, Joe, that boy's smart. Boy, is he smart. The math teacher came over and said, I've never had a student make an all perfect score on his, I don't know what test it was, math test. She said it came in and what was it, Beth? Georgia milestone. Never had someone make a whole 100 on math. Dude made 100 on math. I'm like, and he's got his daddy's good looks too, which is, wouldn't you agree, Beth? He's got my good. I can't believe I ain't getting filled here. What the heck? 224. It's the natural price on this thing. 1175. Down to 11. Stupid trade. Whose idea was this? Surely, there we go. We got filled with 11. All right, so let's go put that in. Then we'll close one on this account. So we'll put a 112, 2 tranches of the bull over here. Let's put them in. Georgia milestones. We didn't have no milestones when I was in school. Bet you have milestones when you was in school.
I don't know. You had the state standard test years ago.
Did I? I don't remember, Ben. 112 bull first, right? 112 bull first is a 4340, 4390, 3230, and both. This is a bull 112. Bull 112 at 50 days. 5/26/22. And we got a credit of memory, y'all. Memory's failing. We got a credit of $11. What a stupid trade was that? Where is Matt at? $11. So we brought in $98.24. All right. Now remember, this account doesn't say that we need delta adjustment, but still we've got a negative 121 deltas. So how do we know that that's in line? Remember, all you got to do is take your net lig of 98,117, 98,117.39, and multiply it by 0.0015. So if my deltas had been greater than plus 147 or less than negative 147, it would have said I needed a delta adjustment, but I need no such adjustment here. However, I still put in the bullish trade because I wouldn't mind getting that closer to zero, right? Closer to zero. So we put that trade in. That's a 112 bull first. So let's go find something to now close that we can take a profit. So let's show our groups. And let's put that unallocated into his little groups. Now, Rick won't let me forget it this time, the one that we're going to close. That caused a big old problem. Beth, what are you doing? Are you choking on an apple or something? What's wrong with you? What? Who cracks you up? Who? One. I think she's watching that Johnny Depp trial or something. That's all you watch, Beth, all day. She sits there and watches that crap all day. Yes, you do, Beth. Don't tell me you don't. All right, so here, let's look and see what our winners are. Oh, y'all, I closed my BSH loans. Thank goodness I closed those yesterday after we got out because they would be down big today. So I closed that hedge. I was like, crap, I don't even need it. Who needs a hedge in a bull market? Wink, wink. All right, so here's one we could take off for 57%. That's negative deltas. This one's down 170, so we won't worry with that. That one's up 17%, $25. That would take away some negative delta. Let's see, what else we got here? This one is gone. So let's delete him. Yes, I'm certain. So what else we got here? We got 112. That one's up 17. Let's see, this one's up down near 70. This one's up 39%. I kind of like this one here, right? Because it would get rid of some negative delta, and it's up over 57%. Now here's the negative delta trade. That's up 87%. But look, dollar-wise, this one's more, right? So I must have 3 tranches here or something. Let's see what I got. Now I got 2 tranches there. So I could get rid of a lot more negative delta by taking that one off from that one. So this one's a little more attractive to me now. What else we got? Negative 42%. We don't like taking off losers. Here's plus 123%. That would get me rid of some negative deltas there. Let's see what else we got. Now net 229%, up 118%. But that doesn't get rid of as much deltas there. Up 78%. Oh, that one's kind of good. Look at that. I could get me $116, and that's kind of a cool trade takeoff. So I don't get rid of as much deltas, but look, I get a lot more profit. All right. So let's let that be my choice so far. And as much as we want this to be total science, there's art. There is art too. Let's do that. So we got a winner so far. This one we don't want to take off. I mean, it'd get rid of a lot of deltas, but we'd lose. Good Lord, we've lost 100 in the world. That's a big trade. That's a humongous trade. That must be one of those 3 tranches. Unbelievable. Can't believe that bearish trade is taking us down so far. Good thing is we got 50 days on it. So I'm not that worried about it. 112 17th, not worried about. 43%, 2%, down -4%, That one is 0, up 118%, but again, that would be getting rid of some positive delta. So we found our winner. We want to take off the 112.13. So let's get our $116 and go to the house. So 35 days on this one. So we got to go and do 4 of the 45 30s. Let's go close those. 4 of the 45 30s. Y'all help me remember. 4 of the 45 30s at 35 days. 45 30. Here we are. 45 30. So we got about 4 of those. 1, 2, 3. That says that we can do it for a 310 debit. We normally do these things in little 25-cent increments, don't we? Let's see if we can get out for 325 debit. Come on. Little 112.13. Nothing. Let me go up. So let's go up to 350. Come on. Work, baby, work. Place. 75. We're just working. I got all day. There we go. So we got out of him for 375. Let's go put him in. That was the 112.13. 112.13. Let's go find him. 112.13. There we are. 132. So we got out of him on 526.22. And our debit was, remember, I don't have the fancy spreadsheet on this one. I'm going to calculate it manually. So we got a debit of $49.26. So we got a debit of $49.26 right here. 49.26, which means we brought in a profit of 86.48. So we didn't quite get our $100 there. 86.48. Take this puppy down. 86.48. Boom. Now let's get our profit calendar. And y'all correct me if I'm wrong, but it's 86.48. Right? 86.48. So 86.48 is our profit. So we have to retry your format painter 86.48. Make this all green. So far this week, we have a realized profit of $478.94. So we've done 269. We lost 192. We're up 664. Had a huge week last week. And now we're up 478.94 this week. Beautiful. I think we're on target. All right, questions? Questions? Comments? If not, I will see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a beautiful day. See you later.